This is a 2003 Bourget Bike Works Fat Daddy. This is an absolutely beautiful custom bike built by Bourget down in Arizona. This bike has an incredible paint job on it and is in excellent condition. Really nice graphics. This Bourget has 6,703 original miles on it. The engine is an S&S 113 cubic inch stroker motor that is polished. Now this motor just went through a complete upper and lower rebuild. No expense was spared on it. It has new cylinders, new heads, new pistons, rings, all new bearings in the lower end, new lifters, new tappets, new rockers, automatic compression releases. It's a brand new engine. It has, I'd say 150 miles that I've put on it to break it in. Has the Super G carburetor, 6-speed GEMS transmission. One of the nice features about this Bourget is it has a closed dry primary, so you don't have to mess with all the fluid changes, and it makes it really quiet. As with all the Bourgets, the majority of the parts are CNC'd in-house. Very well designed, heavy duty bike. Has a very large frame on it, makes it very sturdy, makes it handle really good. As with all the Bourgets, the oil is in the frame, which allows the seat height to be very, very low because there's no oil bag. This is a soft tail. The passenger pad is detachable. The passenger's backrest is also detachable. So this turns into a solo bike really quick. The rider's seat is very nicely stitched and in excellent condition. If you're looking for something a little bit different than your typical bagger, this custom is the way to go. It has a 21-inch front wheel that is custom. Has a 250 rear wheel and tire. A little wider than standard wheels, but not so big that it won't go around the corner real easy. This bike, as long as it is, handles really, really well. I've ridden it out here in the Ozark Twisties, and it just zings around the corner and has plenty of power. Once this new motor is broken in, it will be a powerhouse. The fuel tank is a 5-gallon tank, so you have good range with this bike. And with a great front end suspension and soft tail rear end, a long trip won't beat you to death. If you're in the market for a new ride, take a good look at this custom. It's set up as a great boulevard bike or a good all-day cruising bike for you and your significant other. With the new engine in it, you can't hardly go wrong. The engine does have a 1-year warranty on it. For information on how to put this beautiful Bourget Fat Daddy in your garage, please call Will at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.